Hello you guys, so today we're going to be doing a 2022 Chrysler Pacifica using the key. It looks like that. This is in hybrid version, and the month here is 3/22. If you guys are usually trying to do that, like the older video we uploaded using this connection, so definitely the connection is here, but they probably block the path, or you're not going to be able to do it through the star right here. So in this case we're going to need to go to the 12+8. So we're just going to need to go around this area. So we're just going to use plastic pries. And we're just gonna go around and pry it. So just by pulling that, everything will just go away. After you got inside, we're gonna have another like box that we're gonna need to remove. So that box is located right inside, and there is screws on 3 sides. So we're just gonna take those screws off, and we're gonna see what's behind that. So after you remove the center, you're gonna have that computer to move. After you move that, there's gonna be another 3 screws holding this thing. If you take those 3 screws out, that thing is your box. And here it is when it's fully out. So this is going to be just like this over there. You're going to need to take 3 screws around, pull it out, and unplug the cords. And now, finally, we're going to be able to connect the 12+8 cable of the Chrysler.